Once, it was Ethan who carried her bag. Now it was her father who carried it, and no one thought to say no. With Ethan gone, there was no one left to compare her to. She was given more and more, but she valued it less and less. She stopped studying, and no one pushed her to try harder. After some time, she started going out at night and coming home later and later each time. Amelia waited for her every day. The years passed. Lily grew from a teenager into a young woman, but she never truly matured.
Careful, let me help you.
I am getting old.
Where did I go wrong with her?
Lily, your mother and I are not as young as we used to be. We need your help.
We need your help. We just want you to be here for us.
I can't just drop everything and take care of you two.
Lily, we are your parents.
I didn't ask for this responsibility.
Please, don't go like this.
I need my own life, Dad.
Maybe I made a mistake.
I can't stay here anymore. I'll go to Sarah. She'll understand. I hope Sarah isn't upset that I'm coming so late.
Lily, what are you doing here at this hour? What happened? Sarah, I need somewhere to stay. Can I stay with you? Of course you can stay with me. We're best friends, right? Thank you, Sarah. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Lily, what happened at home? Why did you leave? I became frustrated, so I left the house.
I haven't felt this relaxed in a long time. Then you can stay as long as you need. We'll have fun together.
Cooking together is actually fun. See? Everything is better when you have company.
Lily, I need help with the rent. You need a job. I don't have a job yet. How can I help with the bills? Look, this company is hiring. Ethan and Associates. I don't have any real experience. At least try, Lily.
Sarah! See? They want me to come in for an interview. See? I told you to try.
Sir, we have a new interview scheduled. Her name is Lily.
Okay, I'll check the file. Lily, could it really be her?
Welcome. Our boss will see you shortly. Thank you. Sir, Miss Lily is here. She is waiting for your call.
All right, send her in.
Lily, come. Boss is available for interview now.
Hello, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Please, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. I'm ready.
Wait, what is this photo doing here?
That's a photo of my parents.
Your parents?
Yes, they're my parents.
But they're my parents too. Ethan?
It's really me.
I don't understand. You own this company?
I built it. From nothing. From nothing.
All this time, I never once looked for you.
I know. It's all right. You wanted to be a doctor once. What happened to that dream, Lily?
I don't know, I just stopped trying.
It's not too late to start again. Come with me. Let's go see them.
I don't know if I'm ready.
You are. I'll be right there with you.
Do you think Lily is all right out there?
I hope so. I hope she finds her way back to us.
Lily? Ethan? I don't understand.
I'm sorry for leaving, for everything. I was wrong.
You're home now. That's all that matters.
We forgive you, sweetheart.
I found my birth family. My father, my stepmother, my sister.
Ethan, that's wonderful.
We would love to meet them.
Wait, whose photo is this? Mom? Who is this boy?
That's Daniel.
I've never heard that name before.
He was our son, before you.
And so, Olivia told Ethan a story she had never told before. Daniel was 6 years old. He was full of energy and laughter. Every day with him felt like a gift. Then one year, Daniel became very sick. The doctors tried everything they could, but nothing could save him. The house grew very quiet after that.
When we found you, cold and alone, I thought of Daniel. I could not walk away.
I never knew.
Now you do.
Ethan, why do you look worried?
My school project is difficult without a laptop. Dad, I need a laptop for school and coding. Can you help me buy one?
Yes, Ethan. A laptop will help you learn new skills.
Thank you, Dad. I'll use it carefully.
Amelia, Ethan asked me for a laptop. What do you think about that?
He doesn't need a laptop yet. We have more important things to buy.
But it could help him with school.
He can use the school computers for now. We should wait.
Maybe you're right. We can discuss it later.
Now I can finally buy something for myself.
They don't think I need it. Then I'll buy it myself. I will save every coin I earn.
Here is your pocket money, Ethan.
Thanks, Dad. I'm saving it for my laptop. These look heavy. Can I help you carry one, ma'am?
Oh, thank you, dear. That would be a big help. You remind me of my own grandson, always so polite. Thank you. It's really no trouble at all. Thank you so much for walking me all the way home. Please, take this for your kindness.
Thank you. This will really help me reach my goal.
You received the highest score in the class, Ethan.
I studied very hard for this test.
This reward is for your excellent work.
Thank you. I'll use it for something important. Mom, I got the highest score in my class.
That's nice. Put your things away.
She doesn't care about my achievements.
You're improving every day, Ethan.
I want to help our team win. Ethan, we only need one more goal. I'll do my best.
You played brilliantly today, Ethan.
We won because we worked as a team.
This prize is for the best player of the match.
Thank you, Coach. This means a lot to me. I'm getting closer, but I still need more money. This competition looks really challenging. I wonder if I even have a chance.
You should enter this competition, Ethan.
Do you really think I can win?
You have excellent ideas. Believe in yourself.
I'll enter and give it my best. Are you ready? Here we go. It's done. Registration is complete. My AI tool can help students understand difficult lessons. There's a coding error. How do I fix it? I think I need to ask my teacher for help. Ma'am, I'm having a problem. Could you come and take a look at it, please?
Of course, let's go.
The program keeps giving me an error.
Take a breath and check each step.
I found the problem. The program works now.
I knew you could solve it.
Hello. Young man, what do you have for us today?
My program explains difficult lessons in simple English.
That could help many students. What happens when the program gives a wrong answer?
It checks trusted learning material before answering.
This is really impressive. Best of luck.
First place goes to Ethan! Congratulations, Ethan. Keep it up.
This is enough. I can finally buy my laptop. Tomorrow, I'll buy the laptop I worked for.
Ethan, where did you get all that money?
I earned and saved it myself.
You are too young to keep this much money.
But it belongs to me. I saved it for my laptop.
You don't need a laptop right now. You already have a tablet, and it's enough.
But I saved this myself. I earned every bit of it.
Give me this money right now, or I will tell your father you stole it.
I didn't steal anything. Please, don't say that.
This conversation is over.
Please give it back.
I will decide what happens to this money.
That money came from my school awards, football, and hackathon.
I saw everything, Amelia. This is his hard-earned money. You have no right to take it.
I thought I was teaching him responsibility.
That's not responsibility. That's control.
You're right. I have no excuse for what I did. He's just a child. How could I take something he worked so hard for? I'm sorry, Ethan. This belongs to you.
I only wanted you to be proud of me. Mom, I want to show you something, and how I earned it.
Okay, show me.
For the first time, Amelia followed him not out of suspicion, but out of care.
I kept these hidden because I thought you didn't care.
I was wrong. You have achieved so much.
We are very proud of you, Ethan.
I promise to treat you with love and fairness.
Thank you. This is all I ever wanted.